Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best marble rust stain remover is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning products for homeowners and businesses alike, promising to restore the pristine beauty of marble surfaces marred by unsightly rust stains. In this video, we will deep dive into the effectiveness and ease of use of this product, comparing it to other leading stain removers on the market and providing you with an in-depth review to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Hope's Perfect Sink Cleaner. It's a gentle cleaner, polisher, and protector all in one. Get your sink sparkling and save time with this simple solution. Bring back that like-new look. It leaves your sink gleaming with a fresh lemon scent. This cleaner creates an invisible shield, making future cleaning a breeze. Watch water bead up just like on a waxed car. Say goodbye to tough stains, water spots, and rust. It won't scratch, just shine. It's perfect for stainless steel, cast iron, porcelain, Korean, composite, acrylic, and more. Clean all your sinks with one product. This cleaner makes cleaning your sink quick and easy, leaving it spotless and shiny. What we like? This product is a multi-purpose cleaner that not only cleans but also protects your surfaces with a water-repellent barrier. If you're looking for an efficient way to clean and protect your sinks and countertops, this is the product for you. It's especially great for those who want to save time and effort in their cleaning routine. What people say. It does a fantastic job of cleaning the kitchen sink, which is what I bought it for. It effortlessly restores the original shine. The product cleaned and shined the sink and removed cloudy areas that I hadn't been able to remove using other cleaners or methods. The second sink was very heavily corroded and dingy. Now the sink looks brand new. This product was a miracle. It removed all the stains. Number 4. Iron Out Rust Stain Remover. Say goodbye to stubborn rust stains. This powerful gel clings to and dissolves rust on contact, making cleaning a breeze. It's so effective, you won't even need to scrub. Just apply it and watch it work its magic. From bathrooms and kitchens to outdoor surfaces, it tackles rust stains on most materials, both indoors and out. It's perfect for hard-to-reach spots like shower heads and toilets. No more struggling to clean those awkward areas. If you live in an area with hard water and high iron content, this is the perfect solution for removing those unsightly rust stains. It's septic safe, so you can use it without worrying about harming your septic system. This product is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, ensuring superior performance and reliability. What we like? It's a powerful rust stain remover that works quickly and easily without the need for scrubbing. If you have stubborn rust stains in your bathroom, kitchen, or outdoors, this is the perfect solution. Its gel formula clings to the stain, making it ideal for vertical surfaces. You'll save time and energy with this effective product. What people say. It effectively breaks down and removes rust from various surfaces, including bathrooms, showers, sinks, and toilets. Using this rust stain remover is a breeze. Simply spray the gel onto the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic, then wipe or rinse it away. No scrubbing required, saving you time and effort. Not only does this remover get rid of existing rust stains, but it also helps prevent future stains from forming. Its unique formula creates a protective barrier that inhibits the formation of new rust, keeping your bathroom surfaces pristine. Number 3. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. It's time to make cleaning your kitchen and bath a breeze. This amazing ceramic coating protects your surfaces from stains, smudges, and all sorts of grime, making cleanup effortless. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and fingerprints. It prevents water spots, soap scum, and mineral buildup. Cleaning becomes a simple wipe-away process. Experience a super slick, clean glass-like finish. It repels liquids and stains, keeping your surfaces looking pristine. Remember, it's not for floors due to its slickness. It's safe for use on almost any hard surface in your home, from granite countertops to stainless steel appliances and everything in between. It's invisible, so it won't change the look of your surfaces. It's a non-toxic coating, so you can rest easy knowing it's safe for your family. Simply spray it on, buff it in, and let it cure for amazing protection. It can be removed anytime with isopropyl alcohol. Enjoy lasting protection for up to 6 to 12 months. For best results, make sure your surfaces are thoroughly cleaned before application. What we like. This ceramic coating creates an incredibly slick, stain-resistant surface that's easy to wipe clean. If you're looking for long-lasting protection and effortless cleaning, this is your best bet. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to minimize their cleaning time and keep their surfaces looking pristine. What people say. I used to have to use a microfiber cloth that's moistened with either water or cleaner to clean surfaces, but now after I've applied this coating, all it takes is a light wipe. The results are incredible and the application process is a breeze. Just a quick spritz, then an easy wipe down with the provided microfiber cloth. No rigorous buffing or polishing, just a quick wipe down. They look absolutely amazing. It's very easy to use, it is streak resistant, water resistant, all my appliances feel smooth and clean and look amazing. And my granite countertops look great. I love the shine it gives, and love the smooth clean finish. Number 2. Black Diamond Granite Plus. This innovative 2-in-1 cleaner and sealer is designed to effortlessly maintain and protect your granite, marble, travertine, and limestone surfaces. It's a ready-to-use solution that simplifies your cleaning routine. Enjoy a spotless shine without rinsing, and it's safe for food contact areas. The pH-neutral formula guarantees a streak-free finish every time. It leaves your stone looking its best. It's more than just a cleaner, it's a built-in sealer that shields your surfaces from stains, spills, and everyday messes. Keep your countertops pristine. It's safe for use on countertops, showers, and floors, making it perfect for everyday cleaning. Maintain a clean and hygienic environment in your home. Made in San Clemente, California, it's a testament to American craftsmanship and eco-conscious household care. From our family to yours. What we like. This product is a 2-in-1 cleaner and sealer that provides both cleaning and protection in one simple step. If you want to simplify your cleaning routine while protecting your stone surfaces, this is a great choice. It's especially suitable for those who want a streak-free shine and maximum protection against stains. What people say. Easy to use, spray on, wipe off, and no need to rinse. One simple step. The shine is beautiful and it took me less than 1-2 hours to do all my countertops, and I have a lot. After decades of using numerous products, this is easily the best cleaner and polisher yet. My granite looks polished. I've used this ever since installing our marble worktops. Close to 10 years on, my worktops still look brand new and have a beautiful sheen. We use it daily to wipe the kitchen counters whenever they need cleaning. I don't use anything else, and definitely never use any harsh chemicals like fairy liquid, universal kitchen spray, or product not designed specifically for marble. It's not harsh on the natural stone, rather, it applies a temporary seal, like a moisturizer to skin, to the surface as it's wiped each time. Number 1. Black Diamond Marble and Tile Cleaner. Tired of streaky floors? This cleaner is safe for all your hard surfaces, leaving them sparkling and spotless. It's perfect for marble, granite, ceramic, and more. This versatile formula tackles dirt and grime effortlessly. With its no-rinse formula, it leaves your floors with a brilliant shine. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to sparkling clean floors. A little goes a long way. Just a few ounces per gallon of water is all you need for a deep clean. This is your one-stop solution for all your hard floor cleaning needs. It simplifies your cleaning routine, saving you time and effort. It's biodegradable and non-toxic, making it safe for your family, pets, and the planet. Clean responsibly and effectively. The pH-neutral formula is gentle on natural stone, preserving its beauty and integrity. It's tough on dirt but kind to your floors. What we like. This is a highly concentrated, eco-friendly floor cleaner that's safe for various surfaces, leaving a streak-free shine. If you're looking for an effective and environmentally friendly way to clean your floors, this is the one for you. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective and convenient solution. What people say. Use this cleaner on kitchen tile floor. It works very well for removing dirt from tiles and seams and leaves a nice sheen on the tiles once it dries. Having tried a number of other floor cleaners, this Black Diamond cleaner has provided the best results for me. Vacuum dry mop the floors before the application, and check intermittently to ensure the mop head is clean, free of debris, etc. Ensures the best results. Follow the mixing instructions as stated on the container. Mop the granite bathroom and tile floors with this cleaner, then left them to air dry. Floors and tiles become shiny, streak-free, and non-slippery. I received this tile cleaner and was excited to try it out. I used it and was amazed at how well it cleaned and polished the floor tile I was using it on. Great cleaner that I will use forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.